I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy way to send documents and videos to employees and team members while also tracking who has seen it using Tuttle. So the first step is you want to register for an account. And when you register for an account, you're registering for an admin account. So you are going to be in control of what documents or videos are sent to the team members. All you have to do is put in your name, your email, password, and confirm password. Then you just click register, and you will automatically be signed up for the free account. So once you register for your account, you're going to get a little pop-up here at the top right, and it's going to want you to verify your email. Once you verify your email, you just come over here to sign in, put in your credentials, and click sign in. This is what the dashboard is going to look like for your admin account. As you can tell, it's very simple. You can see there are uploaded content here. This is how much content you have sent to your team members. And then pending review. Right now we have 0. So let's go to how to add a team member. So you want to go to your profile right here, and you want to go to manage employees. Now I am on the enterprise plan, so I do have 75 different slots. So let's say you have 5 people on your team and you need to add them all to Tuttle. They do not have to go and create their own account. All you have to do is click add new user, you type in their name, their email, and then you create a password for them. When you click add employee, they're going to show up right here. Now, once you add them to your account, they are going to receive an email with their username and their password. And it's going to look something like this. And I'm going to blur this out, obviously. But when they go to sign into Tuttle, they have to put in their email and then the password you created for them. And then they can go into their own profile and change their password. All right, so let's show you how to add content and send it to the members on your team. So you're going to want to come over here to the right where it says add content. And as you can see, I am on the enterprise plan, so I do have a max of 20 gigabytes that I can upload at a time, which that's good for videos, PowerPoints, large documents. So let's say I want to send a Word document, and we're just going to use this for an example. So this is just a script that I used for a YouTube video, but we're going to use it as an example. So you want to come down here and you want to add your title. We're just going to say script review. You can add a description if you want, and then you're going to assign a date that it's due. So we'll assign it for tomorrow. Now, if you click right here, you'll see that this is where the team members show up. You can either select individuals or you can click assign to all users. It's completely up to you. So we're just going to assign to all users. There's only one person here, but we're just going to assign that real quick. And then you go to assign content. Give it a second to load, and then boom, your content was uploaded successfully. It's going to bring you right back to the dashboard automatically. And you can see right here the script review. Okay, so what I have right here is an employee dashboard. What we were on prior was the admin dashboard where they can send and check reports on content and documents that were sent. So this is what the employee dashboard looks like. When they get assigned different documents, it shows up right here on their dashboard. So as you see, script review has not been viewed, and it is due on January the 16th, which is tomorrow. We're going to go ahead and click continue. Now, what happens when you click continue is it's going to bring this up right here where you can save the document and download it. Now, once the document downloads and you save it and you open it and view it, you can just come right back here to Tuttle, and you see right here it says, I have reviewed this document. All you have to do is click on this, and then the progress will go to 100%, and then you click acknowledge. And then you'll get this little acknowledged screen that pops up right here. then you can go back to dashboard. And if you look right here, it's going to show up in completed content that you did view it and you did acknowledge it. Now let's go back to the admin and see what it looks like on their end. So we're back in the admin, and if you see right here, script review, right here, due date is tomorrow, we can go ahead and click view. And you can see right here that it was acknowledged on January the 16th at 11:42 a.m. But let's say you want to export the data so that you can show it for compliance reasons. You want to go right here to reports, let it load for a second, and then you'll see right here script review. And this was acknowledged by one employee and it was assigned to one employee. So let's go to export reports. We're going to select a date. We'll do today, do tomorrow, all users, apply filter. And you'll see right here that the script review shows up. And we're going to click on this right here. Now you have the option to upload it into a CSV, PDF, or text. We're going to do PDF. We're going to export. And this is what it looks like right here. So script 1 review, employee, Caleb test, status acknowledged, viewed at 1/16/2026. And that is how we send and track documents with Tuttle. It's that simple. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you can contact me down below, and I hope this helps.